Have you replaced advising with detailing? Providing multiple detailed options rather than making a single recommendation based on the situation, available options, and your expertise? If you replace your expertise, conviction, and persuasive powers with details, data, and logic, you make your prospects advise themselves. And you miss a huge opportunity to help people by asking them to instead help themselves. You're using the wrong brain. Now, as you know, we buy with our right brain or emotionally, then we justify what we buy with our left or our logical brains. Over detailing gets this wrong and gets it backwards. Detailing gives them the logic, hoping they will and can make the emotional connection to buy. So this is a well-intended but misguided reaction to price oversensitivity and compliance fears. And I can say this too, if you want Chat GPT, that new AI magician, to replace you as being irrelevant, well then this is kind of pretty much the way to do that. You see, prospects need your interpretation, not just more information. They need more of their own context, not just more content. And they really, truly need your wisdom and not more data. You see, clarity makes it easier for them to decide. So ask the right questions to get the information you need to help them make the decisions they must make to get the results that they want. It's all about them. Then you process their thinking and their answers through your expertise for their very best solutions, the best ones you can think of in your opinion. And after all, isn't that why they hire you? They hire you for your advice. But providing prospects with just pages of numbers, ledgers, and illustrations leaves the decision for them to improve strictly to chance. And that's not good enough. Advise them instead for real certainty in your business. So, God bless. We'll see you again next week. And in the meantime, go be amazing.